Is my camera recording?
No.
Are you joking?
No.
Okay, we should start. We're gonna start now. It is recording, you dumb. Okay, how do I even start this video? Hey guys, today we're gonna
The most serious washing destroying people.
Let's just get on with the video.
Every time we have been practicing throwing bricks.
So since we don't have any detergent, we're just probably gonna try to use this.
Well, I'm doing
Why does it actually fit? Oh, it does not. What just broke?
Oh, let me try.
No, then guys.
That's gonna work.
Okay, have you tried using a smart?
Yay!
I fixed it.
Wait.
Wait,
Let me see. Yeah, it's fine.
is this like turning the key? Is this like the equivalent of turning
Okay,
the key?
can you put it on the letter C? I want to know if you can read words. I mean letters. Try putting it on the letter C. Don't zoom in.
Oh, damn.
That's not even remotely close.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, that's not even remotely close.
I gotta put it on what?
C. Wrong. Congrats, you did it. Okay, now back.
That's
away.
exactly the same.
No, you did it like this. Nope, hold on. You put it right over here.
No.
Yes,
No,
you
I did
did.
not. No,
Yes,
on my
you-
life,
you-
I did not.
Yes, you did.
And I'm living too. See this? So how does this thing start?
Okay, so you press the on button. Why is the camera on level?
So do I press it?
I mean, you can. Okay, now back off.
Okay.
It's not even plugged in.
Oh,
Are you joking? It's not on. 1 second.
Am I just a genius or what?
Okay, that's it.
So who's throwing a brick first?
Me. First of all, we start off with the towel wrapped ones, and we can move on the normal ones if it doesn't explode then.
Okay. Yo, it's big enough.
Really? Grab a brick in your hand. Almost said the bad word.
We don't scrub the channel, guys.
Okay, it's big enough now.
Throw it.
Okay.
Throw it.
This is really big.
Try two. Oh my god. Throw. Oh.
I got it.
Are you joking?
I don't know how bad that is. So.
It's hitting like the side of the washing machine, no?
Oh, I can see what's.
Are you kidding? Where is it getting stuck? I have fixed it. There we go.
Okay.
Not my problem. Oh, you got it. Okay, there we go. Throw it in.
This looks like a black hole. Am I tripping?
Throw it in.
Okay, one. Oh my god, it smells so bad.
Washing machine from Game
So anyway,
The back came off, the top came off, the under thing is loose.
like the spring came off. Oh, anyway. I mean, it probably would still work.
Yeah, so let's go again.
Let's go again. Hold on. There we go. See? This still works.
Okay,
The
can we do
inside's
a
gonna be
spin
all
test?
What?
Does it still spin?
Okay, yeah, we should do a spin test. How do I put this back? Does it just clip back on here? I feel like I'm gonna break this PCB by just putting it back in. This
Put it in.
this cracked, you're joking. It's probably okay, it's so gonna blow up, I just know it.
Put it in. Over. We should put like a spider in there.
Wait, you forgot something.
You forgot the kid. I'm gonna throw it. You forgot the kid. Okay, I think.
Dude, you
the
forgot.
Oh, 1 second.
What just happened?
Does it spin? That's the question.
Just bang it on the top of the metal thing.
I think it still spins.
Seriously?
Yeah, it does. Okay, okay.
Okay,
wait.
everybody get a brick ready. Take the big one.
What's the one?
This one.
Oh, come on. There we go. Throw it in. Are you joking?
Did it break?
Is it gone?
No. Put it on motor.
I did.
Uh-huh.
And then I do this, right?
Yeah.
Right. And
Yeah. And then you hold it and then you spin it. Hold it in the same position.
then, like,
Almost. There we go. You did it. Congrats.
like and subscribe.
Okay.
Bone smashing the button.
There we go. There we go. Okay. First I'm gonna throw this in like usual. Then you can Jesse grab a brick. Oh.
I can throw it?
Throw it. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
I think I can make that one.
Grab a towel one. I really hope it caught that on video.
On this thing.
Wait, can you turn the temp on 90 with the hammer?
Oh, something broke off inside. I think.
Hold on. Oh yeah. Don't worry. It's fine.
Okay, wait, let me...
See, I told you. Oh,
Wait, let me do it again. Let me do it.
There we go.
I fixed it.
Good job.
I'm very sorry about this.
There we go.
And then you just so it stays.
Yeah, actually.
So it stays.
Actually, yeah, you know, that's not a bad idea.
See, guys, this is how you fix a washing machine. You take the spring and then you just. It's okay. Let me fix it. Let me fix it. Let me.
Enough. Hold on.
Professional upstairs neighbor, bro.
Oh, it doesn't even click in anymore.
I can help. I can help. I can help.
Wait, why is this button pushed out? Oh.
It's okay. I can help. I can help. You just have to. It fell inside.
Just leave it like that. Just leave it like that.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this then.
Alright, run it.
Okay, it's fine.
It is not supposed to do it. So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna go out to it and then we just. And now
Grab
we're
a grip.
Okay, I'm going to grab a grip because this guy told me to.
Are we sure that's working?
No. You guys know what's happening?
What is happening?
The drum is rubbing against the seat.
Ah.
What the hell?
What happened?
Why is there just like burn?
I'm going to hold it like this.
Pull. Push. Oh.
Don't even close anymore. Okay. So you just take it and you just.
Do we really need the door?
No.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, throw it in. Swallow it. What happened?
It died.
Oh, are you joking? It ended? How did it end? Okay. That's not what
I can throw it in.
Wait, guys. I don't know if you can see, but that light is supposed to be shining over here. Why is it inside over there?
I don't know, but here's a spring. If you want, do you want a spring?
Hold on.
Do you want a spring?
What?
It flew out of the thing. Alright, no, press play.
There we go.
No, you throw that thing.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
throw
yeah.
that thing. I throw this thing.
Actually, don't throw that in. It's just taking up too much space in the drum. The big thing. Yeah, you can throw that in.
Professional washing machine destroyed it. I think you threw it into it. Okay, why is it so violent? Okay, there we go. What? How did you miss such a small piece? What, did the rope snap?
I hope not.
No, dude, it's still going.
Oh my god, but it's so torn. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I think this is the end of it.
No, I think we should still reattach it, Loki.
How?
It's okay. I'm going.
How
to...
do you want to reattach it?
Super glue?
We know we need tape.
Look at the shock absorber.
Wait, let me see.
Look, it snapped over there.
I see it. Yes. Oh, it's over.
How do I make this work again?
You don't. It's over.
I said super glue it.
Super glue, how? It
No,
snapped.
we need tape. We need tape.
Okay, there we go.
How did they do that? Oh,
Huh.
I think it's over.
To love is to let go, mijo.
That is one way to fix it. I don't think it will work though.
Hold on.
To love is to let go.
I have a really stupid idea.
You're not gonna. Oh my god. Here is the serial code for any enthusiasts. Serial code.
Hold on, I have a really stupid idea.
It is working. Yes.
Oh, it snapped even here?
Where?
Over here. Oh my god, it's so over. It's so over.
Okay, we will try one more time. It's going to explode, I think. And I think that's it for it. Hey guys, welcome back to another Sockville video. Today we're gonna have rock ASMR. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's ASMR video.
That's not how you record an ASMR.
Shut the